video, I will show you how to disable the Instagram account temporarily. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, which will help us to make more and more video tutorials for you. So let's get started with the video tutorial. Now we are on the Instagram feed and we need to click the profile icon in the bottom of the screen. And again, we need to click hamburger icon in the top right of the screen. And here in the screen, we need to click this Settings tab. Next, we need to go to the Help Center by clicking this Help tab and continue with the Help Center tab. Here, we do not see any option in regard to disable the Instagram account temporarily. Again, we need to click this hamburger icon. In the screen, we need to click Manage Your Account tab, and next, we need to select Delete Your Account tab. Next, on the screen, we need to click How do I delete my Instagram account option. Here, you can see Delete Instagram account link. We can click on it and continue with the process. We can click this Disable Instagram account temporarily link on the screen and disable our Instagram account and confirm login email and password to disable Instagram account. Instagram account and all its data will be hidden as long as we do not relog into our Instagram account and activate it again. We can disable our Instagram account only once in a week. We are done with this video process. Hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button to get updates. Thank you.